அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். டிஎன்பிஎஸ்சி மாஸ்டர் யூடியூப் சேனல் தங்களை அன்புடன் வரவேற்கிறது. இந்திய அரசியலமைப்பு மற்றும் இந்தியன் நேஷனல் மூவ்மெண்ட், அதாவது இந்திய தேசிய இயக்கத்திலிருந்து 100 முக்கிய வினாக்கள் இந்த வீடியோவில் பதிவிடப்பட்டிருக்கிறது. இந்த கேள்விகள் அனைத்தும் மிக மிக முக்கியமான கேள்விகள். அனைத்து போட்டித் தேர்வுகளுக்கும் டிஎன்பிஎஸ்சி, யூபிஎஸ்சி, ஆர்ஆர்பி உள்ளிட்ட அனைத்து போட்டித் தேர்வுகளுக்குமே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா மிகவும் பயனுள்ளதாக இருக்கும். ஸோ இதை தவிர்த்து நமது டிஎன்பிஎஸ்சி மாஸ்டர் யூடியூப் சேனலில் நடப்பு நிகழ்வுகள், அரசு வேலைவாய்ப்பு செய்திகள் மற்றும் பொது அறிவு வினாக்களும் பதிவிடப்பட்டிருக்கிறது. இதை தாங்கள் தொடர்ந்து படிச்சுட்டா டிஎன்பிஎஸ்சி மாஸ்டர் யூடியூப் சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், உங்களுடைய நண்பர்களுக்கு ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். இப்போ நாம் கேள்விக்கு செல்லலாம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின், தி design of the national flag was adopted by the Constitutional Assembly of India in, the correct answer, July 1947. The correct answer is A is right answer. Second question, the Constitution of India was enacted by the Constituent Assembly set up. The correct answer, D, under the Cabinet Mission Plan 1946. Third question, a bill in the Imperial Legislative Council for compulsory and free primary education was introduced by. The correct answer, C, G.K. Gokhale. Fourth question, who among the following was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution? The correct answer, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The D is correct answer. The fifth question, the Constituent Assembly which framed the Constitution for independent India was set up in. The correct answer, the 1946. The right D is correct answer. Sixth question, the Constitution of India was enacted by the Constituent Assembly set up. The correct answer, under the Cabinet Mission Plan 1946. C is correct answer. The seventh question, who among the following was not a member of the Constituent Assembly established in July 1946? The correct answer, Mahatma Gandhi. Eighth questions, what is the special constitutional position of Jammu and Kashmir? It has its own constitution. The ninth questions, on whose recommendation was the Constituent Assembly formed? The correct answer, the Cabinet Mission Plan. This is 1946. 10th questions, which of the following acts gave representation to the Indians for the first time in legislation? The correct answer, a Government of India Act 1935. The 11th questions, which of the following was adopted from the Maurya dynasty in the emblem of Government of India? Maurya dynasty in the emblem of Government of India. The correct answer, the 4 lions. The 12th question, who presided over the inaugural meeting of the Constituent Assembly of India? Once again, the question, who presided over the inaugural meeting of the Constituent Assembly of India? The correct answer, the Sachidananda Singha. That is correct answer. The 13th question, the idea of the Constitution of India was first of all given by? The correct answer, Sri Amman Roy. The 14th question. The Constitution of India was promulgated on January 26, 1950 because this day was being celebrated as the Independence Day since 1929. This is correct answer. The 15th question. The first session of the Constituent Assembly was held in, the correct answer, New Delhi. The 16th question. The members of the Constituent Assembly were, once again read the question, the members of the Constituent Assembly were, the correct answer, elected by provincial assemblies. This is the right answer. 17th question. The Indian Constitution was enforced on, the Indian Constitution was enforced on 26th January 1950. The C is the right answer. Next question. The Constitution of India was adopted by the Constitution of India was adopted by the Constituent Assembly. The B is the right answer. The 19th question. How long did the Constituent Assembly take to finally pass the Constitution? The correct answer, about 3 years since December 9, 1946. The 20th question. The Office of Governor General of India was created by, once again with the question, the Office of Governor General of India was created by, the correct answer, Charter Act 1833. Charter Act 1833. That's the correct answer. 21st question. Who was the chairman of the Constituent Assembly? Who was the chairman of the Constituent Assembly? The correct answer, Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. A is the right answer. 22nd question. When did Mr. Attlee, Prime Minister of England, announce the transfer of power to the Indians? Once again, read the question. When did Mr. Attlee, the Prime Minister of England, announce the transfer of powers to the Indians? The right answer, June 1948. 23rd question. The Constituent Assembly was created by, the Constituent Assembly was created by Cabinet Mission Plan. 24th questions. The Constitution names our country as, the correct answer, India, that is Bharat. The 25th question. The demand for the Constitution Assembly was put forward by the Indian National Congress in 1936 at its session held at, the right answer, the Westpur. 26th questions. A constitution is, the correct answer, the basic structure defining the powers of the state and the rights and duties of the citizen. That is a constitution. This is the right answer. 27th questions. The cabinet mission to India was headed by, once again the questions, the cabinet mission to India was headed by, the correct answer, the Lord Pethick Lawrence. Lord Pethick Lawrence. The 28th questions. Cripps mission visited India. Cripps mission visited India in the 1942. Next question. Which of the following rights was described by Dr. P.R. Ambedkar as the heart and the soul of the constitutions? The correct answer, the right to constitutional remedies. That is the right answer. This is Dr. Ambedkar described as the heart and soul of the constitution. That is question. Who proposed the preamble before the drafting committee of the constitution? The correct answer, D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question, 31. Who was the first speaker of the Lok Sabha? Who was the first speaker of the Lok Sabha? The correct answer, Mavlangar. 32nd question. The state of Bombay was bifurcated into Maharashtra and Gujarat on May 1st in the year 1960. 33rd question. Which of the following is correct regarding the Indian Constitution? The correct answer, D. It is a mixture of several constitutions. 34th question. Which of the following union territories attained statehood in February 1987? 1987. The correct answer, Arunachal Pradesh. A is the right answer. 35th question. The 25th Indian state to achieve statehood is, the correct answer, Goa. 36th question. The chairman of Constitution Drafting Committee at the time of independence was, the right answer, Dr. P.R. Ambedkar. The 37th question. The demand for a constitution made by the people of India without outside interference was officially asserted by the National Congress in 1935. The 38th questions. The Constitution Assembly for Undivided India first met on, the correct answer, the 9th December 1946. 39th question. When was the Madras state renamed Tamil Nadu? Correct answer, 1969. The 40th questions. In 1938, who among the following definitely formulated his demand for a Constitution Assembly elected on the basis of adult Francis? The correct answer, D. Jawaharlal Nehru. 41 questions. The first state to become bifurcated after independence was, the correct answer, Bombay. The 42nd question. When the Constitution Assembly for the Dominion of India reassembled on 31st October 1947, its reduced membership was to 99. This is right answer, 299. 43rd question. For the philosophy underlying our Constitution, the historic objectives resolution was moved in the Constitutional Assembly on 22nd January 1947 by Jawaharlal Nehru. This is the correct answer. 44th question. Which of the following rights is issued by the court in case of illegal detention of a person? The correct answer, habeas corpus. This is the most important question. Okay, the 55th questions. Sorry, 45th. Which of the following cases cannot be filed directly in the Supreme Court? Once again, the question: which of the following cases cannot be filed directly in the Supreme Court? The correct answer D. Disputes between two or more states. Disputes between two or more states, that cases cannot be filed directly in the Supreme Court. 46th questions. Which is not an eligibility criterion for appointment as a judge of the High Court? The correct answer A. Must have been an advocate of a High Court for not less than 10 years. Once again, read the answer. Must have been an advocate of a High Court for not less than 10 years. The next question, 47th. The judicial review function of the Supreme Court means the power to, the correct answer, examine the constitutional validity of the laws. The C is the right answer. Okay, the next question. The High Courts in India were first started at, once again the question, that is a very, very important question. That's what I am read once again. The High Court in India were first started at, the correct answer, Bombay, Madras and Calcutta. Now in Kolkata. 49th question. For the enforcement of fundamental rights, the Supreme Court may issue an, the correct answer, B, a right. For the enforcement of fundamental rights, the Supreme Court may issue an right. The 50th questions. Besides its permanent seal at Delhi, this Supreme Court can also meet at, the correct answer, any other place as decided by the Chief Justice of India in consultation with the President. That is correct answer. The 51st question. What is meant by a court of record? Second, read the question. What is meant by a court of record? The correct answer, the court that preserves all its records. This is the right answer. This is second question. Judges of the High Court are appointed by the correct answer, President. B is the right answer. Next question. After retirement, a judge of a High Court can undertake practice in, the correct answer, any other court except the same court. That's the right answer. 54th question. The age of retirement of the judge, the age of retirement of the judges of the High Court. The correct answer, 65 years. The 55th question. Separation of the judiciary from the executive is enjoyed by, the correct answer, directive principles. The 56th question. The Chief Justice and other judges of the High Court are appointed by the correct answer is President. The 57th question. Which High Court has jurisdiction over the states of Arunachal Pradesh? The correct answer, Guwahati. A is the correct answer. The 58th question. A judge of the Supreme Court of India is to hold office until he attains the age of 65 years. This is the right answer. Next question. The President of India referred the Ayodhya issue to the Supreme Court of India under which article? The correct answer, 143. A is the correct answer. Next question. The judicial review signifies that the Supreme Court. Judicial review signifies that the Supreme Court. The correct answer. Can review cases decided by the High Court. Okay, the next question. Which one of the following comes under the jurisdiction of the both the High Court and the Supreme Court? The correct answer C. Protection of the fundamental rights. That is correct answer. Next question. The cognizable offence refers to an offence where? Correct answer B. The police can register a case without formal complaints. Next question. 63. Under the right of mandamus, the court can, correct answer D. Direct the government do or not do a thing, that is mandamus. 64th questions. Which of the following right is a bulwark of personal freedom? The correct answer habeas corpus. Next question, 65th. The high courts and Calcutta, Madras and Bombay were established under the Indian High Courts Act of, the correct answer 1861. 66th questions. The appointment of officers and servants of the High Court are made by the Chief Justice of the High Court. 67th question. Salaries of the judges of the Supreme Court are drawn from the correct answer consolidated fund. 69th questions. Which of the following high courts covers more than one state or union territories? The correct answer Guwahati. 17th question. Which of the following rights may be issued to enforce your fundamental rights? The correct answer habeas corpus. 71st questions. The total number of high courts in India at present is correct answer 21. 72nd. The judges of the Supreme Court can be removed from the office by the, once again the question, the judges of the Supreme Court can be removed from the office by the President on request of Parliament. When the judges of the Supreme Court can be removed from the office. The 73rd questions. The authority competent to suspend the operation of fundamental rights guaranteed under the Constitution of India is, the correct answer President. That is correct answer. 75th question. Which of the following is an extensive original jurisdiction given by the Constitution of India to the Supreme Court? The correct answer A. Enforcement of fundamental rights. That is correct answer. 76th question. The High Court of West Bengal, Calcutta, has got the additional jurisdiction to hear cases from, the correct answer Andaman and Nicobar Island. 78th question. In whom are the powers of judicial reviews vested in India? The Supreme Court and all high courts. This is correct answer. B is the correct answer. 79th question. There is no appeal except on a point of law against the decision of the correct answer small cases courts. The 80th questions. The lowest court of revenue is that of a, once again the question, the lowest court of a revenue is that of a, the correct answer option A, Naib Dasildar. And the 81 question. The first class magistrate are competent to award sentence of imprisonment. The imprisonment up to, the correct answer 2 years. The B is the correct answer. 83rd questions. To ensure a compatibility, the retainment Chief Justice and other judges of the Supreme Court are defined from practicing law? The correct answer, in any court of India. The C is the correct answer. The 85th question, who is appointed as an ad hoc judge of the Supreme Court? So once again the questions, who is appointed as an ad hoc judges of the Supreme Court? The correct answer, A. A sitting judge of the High Court duly qualified for appointment as a Supreme Court judge. The 87th questions, which High Court in India has held that the pronouncement of talaq thrice in one go is illegal? The correct answer, D. Allahabad High Court. The 88th questions, this small case court can hear cases involving a maximum amount of? The correct answer, rupees 2000. B is the correct answer. 19th question, a common high court for 2 or more states and union territory may be established by? The correct answer, option A, Parliament by law. 91 questions, which of the following amendments curtailed the power of judicial review of the Supreme Court and the High Court? The correct answer, 42nd. 92 questions, under a single integrated hierarchical judicial system, the High Court in the states are directly under the? Correct answer, D, Supreme Court. Next question, 93rd. A judge of a Supreme Court may resign his office by writing under his hand addressed to the President. D is the correct answer. 94th question, the appellate jurisdiction of the Supreme Court does not involve? The correct answer, D, disputes arising out of pre-constitution treaties and agreements. Next question, 96th. The Chief Justice of the Supreme Court is appointed by the President. The correct answer, alone. Alone is the correct answer. Next question, which Amendment Act conferred on the Supreme Court the jurisdiction to transfer cases from one High Court to another? The correct answer, 42nd Amendment. Next question, the Supreme Court originally consisted of how many other judges besides the Chief Justice? Once again the questions, the Supreme Court originally consisted how many other judges besides the Chief Justice? Correct answer, D, 7. ஓகே, மொத்தம் இந்த வீடியோவில் 100 முக்கிய வினாக்கள், அதாவது இந்திய அரசியலமைப்பு மற்றும் இந்திய தேசிய இயக்கத்திலிருந்து பதிவுபட்டிருக்கிறது. இந்த வீடியோ தங்களுக்கு ஏதும் சந்தேகங்கள் இல்லை கருத்துக்கள் இருந்தால் எனக்கு டிஎன்பிசி மாஸ்டர் யூடியூப் சேனலுடைய கமெண்ட் பாக்ஸில் உங்கள் கருத்துக்களை தகவலை தெரிவிக்கலாம், அல்லது டிஎன்பிசி மாஸ்டர் 2014@gmail.com என்ற இமெயில் முகவரியிலோ அல்லது நமது முகநூல் குறிப்பிலோ அல்லது முகநூல் பக்கத்திலோ உங்கள் கருத்துக்கள் தகவலை தெரிவிக்கலாம். இதுபோன்று நடப்பு நிகழ்வுகள் மற்றும் அரசு வேலைவாய்ப்பு செய்திகள், பொது அறிவு வினாக்கள், பொது தமிழ் வினாக்கள் மற்றும் பல அரிய தகவல்களை தாங்கள் தொடர்ந்து பெற்றிட டிஎன்பிசி மாஸ்டர் யூடியூப் சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, உங்களுடைய நண்பர்களுக்கு ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, லைக் பண்ணுங்க. நன்றி.